Here's a great deal on a 2010 Hyundai Elantra Touring. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is still under 75,000 kilometers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.